I'm going.
No, wait. I found a match.
On a match?
That's a dirty check. No, that would actually go back. It's a clue, but no. It's this, but it's a no. This, but it's a no. This is so it's that. This one, it's a no. Then that one, it's a big put on YouTube.
Hello.
Dude! Don't get playing on this, get playing. Oh no! Yeah! Two, yeah! Two, yeah! Four, no! Yeah! Ace, no!
Caleb, do you know how to play Battle?
Battle?
Or War? Not Battle. War?
Yeah, we play more with her.
We're not gonna play that. 9, yes. James, no.
What about Slapjack?
7, no. 8, no.
Okay.
4, no. 4, no. 2, yes. We got all the twos. We got all the twos.
You
We
what?
got all the twos. But we didn't win yet because we need to get all the other numbers into we start bad. Choose a game. Yes. Gotta know there. Forgot to put the there. Yes. We can have 7 years, but if we got it.
It's like a bidding bag.
This is the part.
Auctioneer.
Number 5 is this, and then go set free. Then we need 3 spades. But then we're gonna go. We go to the 6 the block to the corner. Then let's go before you go towards there, and then